Friends, first of all, I would like say to you, I welcome you all of us. Friends, first of all, I want to say you, friends, you subscribe my channel and you will like me because I comes to poverty lines. My family comes to poverty line, and so friends, I want to say you, any kind of I am making video. In first of all, I had not camera, but any kind of I purchased this camera and I am making a video. Friends, so I want to say you, if you once time only for me you press button that your position will not be down. Yeah, your wealth will not be lost, but any poor, any helpless boy can be grow, can be increased. Yeah. So first of all, I want to say all of us, who peoples, who friends, who borrow will watch my video, you subscribe my video and you like me my video, you comment also. That's in this helpless boy that can go to grow, can go to ahead according to you. Yeah, according to you, if you will press subscribe button, you will write down comment, you will, if you will like that, after that I can go to my video will be grow, that an YouTube's company, that any kind after, and in 1 years after something will be. Friends, in this time I came in front of the camera third time. So this time my speaking is happening, my speak is happening hesitation, but in 6 months after, 1 years after can be in I can speak fluently. Friends, so I would like say you, friends, you have not to forget who peoples is watching my video, please you have to subscribe my channel. Again by again I am saying, you subscribe my channel and you like me and you watch full video. Friends, I was a small boy, and already you know there are local area. None had for explaining yes. None had for explaining yes that you like this practice, you read like this, and please you don't waste time, you don't play now. That time I had child, that time I used to not know anything. I used to not know anything. What will happen the future when you will marry, when your son will demand any money, that please give me 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees anytime. That time what will you do if you are not earning money? Yeah. When you are not earning money and your wife will demand anything, your son will demand anything, that time what will you do? So friends, that time I had no any mind. In like this mind, I have to do something in this world, and I have capacity also. God given all of us, God given all of us one capacity, but for that we have to search. When we know this, that time I studied I started, no, we have to do something in this world, and whatever we have capacity, first of all I will search that and I will do that. So friends and bro, I know that I can speak fluently in this time whatever I am speaking now. About maximum about 1 year I am preparing. About 1 year I am preparing. In this time I am speaking in front of the camera. But in 1 week ago, in I was speaking any place. Yeah, daily by daily I used to practice, but this time I am in front of the camera. So in that time, whatever comes to my mind, I speak. But in this time, in whatever my minds come to, in first of all I speak. In we will have to search. Yeah. So friends, that in this time, in whatever I am making now, and so friends, in daily by daily, if you want to learn English like this, whatever I am doing, same way you have to do this. Yeah. In any peoples will say that in like this you read book. Yeah. In you read that book, you read this book, but no. And in first of all you make stubborn boy. Yeah, you make insist, you make stubborn boy in whatever your ambition. Yeah, please every time you think about that. No, I have to complete that. Yeah, I have to complete that. In like this, please you think. After that, in whatever you want, you can do that. In daily by daily, same way this time I am making video and same speech is happening. But friends, in 3 months after, 6 months after, my speech can be changed, and daily by daily, in once same speech I will not speak same speech. Yeah. In friends, today I want to listen you about one incident. Yeah, today I want to listen you about one incident. In when we were small, we had 3 friends, and daily by daily we used to go for tuition. Yeah, we used to go for tuition. About from my home kilometer will be 10 kilometer like this. Yeah. So we used to go to buy food daily by daily. Once time, in when we used to go to tuition, between comes to one river. So we will have to cross that. After that we reach there. So once time like this happened. The river was full over water. Yeah, the river was over the water. The river over the water. So we had 3 friends. One friend was saying, I know swim, I can cross. And you think, what will you do? Yeah, in like this that friends was speaking. But the water was very fast. Yeah, the water was very fast running. Yeah, but nevertheless my friend was speaking, no, I know swim, I can cross. But what will you do? Please you think. So I spoken him, I spoken them. Okay, please friends, you do one thing. In three friends, we will not cross in this time. This in the this river we will not cross because the water was very fast running. So maybe you went away. We went away in this water. We will do one things. Please, let's go. Let's we go. Let's we go from the bridge. Yeah. Let's we go on the bridge and we will cross on the bridge. So we have to do that, and after that friends, in like this any kind of we camp at home. Yeah. And so friends, I want to say you in like this I make video, and in this video I am making at home. So any kind of can come voice, and friends, I am not a richest man, and but my mission is big, that I want to become good teacher. Yeah, in like this, because my father is farmer, and my father has not any knowledge, that's and so my father has not any money that I can go to for reading any high level university. So friends, in last time I am saying you all of yours, please you subscribe my channel, and you like me, and who people's is watching my video. So friends, and again by again I am saying you subscribe my channel and you like me, and next video will be tomorrow.